How to set a daily data usage limit on your Android phone. Let's get started. Open your settings app. Once you're in your settings, scroll down and tap on wireless and networks or network and internet. Now look for data usage, mobile data, data warning and limit. This is where you can manage all things data related. Tap on the gear or cogwheel icon, or you can find an option to set a data warning or data limit. Before setting the daily limits, it's important to know that Android primarily allows you to set monthly limits. But don't worry, I'll show you a clever workaround for daily tracking. After setting the data limit, this will turn off your mobile data once you reach the limit you've set. Using the same calculation, set this limit to match your daily usage. And that's it. With these settings adjusted, you'll be having better control over your mobile data usage, avoiding unexpected charges, and making the most of your data plan.